I think we're pretty much good to go at this point.
I found something peculiar on the planet. What exactly? Everything. And it seemed to be emitting strong radiation. Yes. We could have expected to come across something like that sooner or later. According to unidentified sources of radiation, unexplained electromagnetic field anomalies. What are they? According to a bold theory fleshed out by Professor Frankov, they may be instances of the so-called interval. The what? Interval. In very simple terms, it's a non-coincidental superposition of potential universes. We don't know exactly why it occurs, but observations prove that under certain, not yet specified conditions, too, creating a so-called... Yeah, it felt like something was materializing. Let's keep our heads cool. It's just a theory. No one's ever proved. If, and I stress if, Professor Frankov's intuition is right, then the distortion you have the spot where the proximity plane intersects with our observed. We need to learn more about these. Inform me at once if you come.
Well, now I gotta wait. Actually, no, the technician's right over here.
Look what I found. Let's see. Qubit chip. Yeah, like an enhanced storage for quantum computing operation. It could be useful for increasing the efficiency of our QCU, not to mention accessing new. It looks broken. Perceptive. A little love in the workshop should get it up. Gotcha.
Alright. Alright, so I need the resources of that. I guess this will help me make more altars, so that's pretty good. I have 9 of these. Let's make one more of these.
Hey, I spotted a few loose screws here and there. Makes me wonder if you're not trying to break things to look busy.